Hey guys, here I am again. I know I've been in my ear for a while. Things going on, life. Anyway, guys, I am here because tomorrow for Tablescape Tuesday, myself, Annalise Copper, Anna from the Grace Life DIY, and Melissa from the Buckeye Girls Recent Things, we are going to be doing a yellow tablescape for spring and summer. So guys, it's not gonna be full yellow, but the most color accent, the majority of the color is going to be yellow. Guys, I am different. I am different. I am using different tone of yellow. So I'm gonna put you guys right there. I'm gonna put my tablecloth, and I'm going to be doing a let's have a tea party. Yeah, let's have a spring, summer tea party. No, let's have a tea party to welcome the spring. I'll be right back. Let me put my tablecloth down. Guys, I'm going to be having a special guest, and that is going to be Peter Rabbit. So here he is, guys, and he's going to be sitting here and this tape on this side of the table. Yeah, guys, he still have the price tag on the ear. I thrifted him, I believe, 2 years ago. So he's gonna be my special guest. Okay, guys, let's see. I want to use this yellow. So let's see how am I gonna put this on. All right, that's the light yellow. So now I'm going to be putting some Kiss yellow. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put this one here. These are gonna be my chargers. I have this for over 20 years. When I bought them the first time, I thought they were plates. I didn't know they were charger. So, and I had them for that long. So guys, I'm going to be using this charger color. They look orange, but I assure you guys they are yellow. So with that, I'm going to be using my country style snack place. So I'm going to be using this because they go perfect right at the center of this charger. So we're going to be having tea and some dessert. This is what are we going to use. And with that, I'm going to be using my glass. These glasses don't come with it, but I'm going to be using this one because I cannot find the ones that goes with the snack set. So I believe my oh my goodness, my teacups are in storage in the other box. So all right guys, so that's what I have so far. Let me straighten it out. I'm going to use this is the DIY that I did. So these are orange slices in the back. So I'm going to use this for one of my glasses. Guys, I've been looking for my water, for my glass, coasters, and I cannot find them. I'm going to be using my Cracker Barrel glass there. And yes, guys, I'm going to be using the white ones for my tea. I mean, I know they are not the correct tea, but it's fine. I'm going to be using my Libby's glasses with the yellow daisies on it. So I'm going to be having this for whatever the guests would like to drink in there. So, yeah. So, right, guys, let me fix this and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm also using my yellow garland of flour. So I'm going to put it here on the center of the table. Just, you know, simple. I'm just gonna put it together like this, very fast and very simple. Guys, in this garland, I'm going to be using some Easter eggs. I finally went to the storage and I got some of my vintage collection. So I'm going to be putting some of them here because there is going to be another collaboration to either decorate or DIY, and I'm not a DIYer. So let me put that. Let me get my, actually, let's get the flower arrangement. Guys, my over the top flower arrangement. And there it is with all my yellow flower with a touch of different colors, but mostly yellow. All right, guys, I'm also going to be putting my napkins. Let me get my napkin rings. All right, guys, so far this is what I have. Now we need to get some candles in here. So let's go. All right, guys, how is it looking so far? So I'm not using big candles. I'm using tea light candles and my little roses that they blink. I'm still gonna turn on. I'm using my egg holder, little egg holder for real eggs. But I'm using this. Two of these are real candles, and the other two are electric candles. Because you know, guys, I don't want take no chances with the arrangement. So I'm still gotta bring my cake, which I did make a cake yesterday, and we already had some. So here's my cake. Of course, marble cake. And we're going to have cake. I'm going to place it right here. And we will be having some other things like chocolate. And it doesn't fit, my table is so small. Anyways, I'm going to be having some more things here. Let me arrange how I'm going to put everything. And of course, I have to get my pot of tea. All right, guys, here's my table. It's all done. There are different types of tea through the table, as you guys can see. I'm going to be having Moroccan mint tea. And I put a chocolate in each of the eggs. I'm only going to use these eggs for now because as I do more table, I will be sharing the other ones. These are vintage for 1970 something. I can't remember right now. This was a gift from a sister of mine that she started YouTube just like when I started, but she's not posting anymore. And of course, I have my pot of tea. So guys, let's serve some tea. Come and join me. Well, guys, I want to thank you for being here with me and enjoying a cup of tea. Guys, go check out the playlist and check out the other creators so you guys can get some inspiration. We all going to be bringing different type of yellow tablescape. So yeah, guys, and I'm gonna enjoy my piece of cake. And to that, I will say, bon appetit, guys. Let's see, it's my first time trying this mint green. Guys, I don't take nothing in my tea, no sugar, no nothing, depending how strong is the tea. But I like to let my tea there and steep, like you guys call it. So guys, here it is. Look at what it looks like. Let's see. It smells a little bit like tea. Not like tea, like mint. So I really don't know. So yeah, it actually does taste like mint. I'm gonna let my tea bag sit there because I like my tea a little strong. So yeah, guys. And yes, guys, I baked this cake yesterday. So, I hope you like my table. Let's turn off the light, guys. Let's see. Let's turn off the light. See what it looks like with the lights off. I think it look nice. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. So it will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.